Good morning, guys. It's Friday. This is the 9th, end of the trading week. Another green day, green streak. Another week locked in, consistent, awesome. Friday the 10th. Let's talk about it. Here's the SPY. Had a great call this morning. We said it was going to be a pretty much identical setup to yesterday, just maybe a little bit more of the pops. Real easy to call downtrend here. Waited for the lower high on our overlay trend here. Failed the split. Watched the breakdown under the weekly. Pretty easy to see. Double bottom. Waited for the retrace. Got a bunch of resistance. Target was the gap fill. Gap fill on the daily 282.80. Top of the wick on the gap fill. That was the target for all the short stuff today. Worked out perfectly. You had a couple different entries on those contracts short. Called a lot of this stuff out. Let's get into it. Netflix. We had an early long call on a rip up to previous day's high here. Had a couple of members take the early long there. Great scalp. Called the 360 short off the break of the split. Bright green guy right here. Breakdown and up. Still capitalizing some really nice gains on that. Targeting low of the day. Trades are still working out here at 350, 270. Target a low day on the Netflix breaks. Fantastic day there. Amazon was a pop to short. Everything's a pop to shorty today. Failing the pinnacle level here. If it let go of its split, 1889.55, monster level there as it came down. Targeted first off the weekly trend here, 1879.50, and then after that maybe lows. Definitely surprised us with a big market dump all the way down. So a lot of short takers there. Fantastic little call on Amazon there. QCOM. Had a couple good calls on QCOM today. Early long, called it in the early consolidation here when it flagged to take nice long for a squeeze play up to previous day highs. Really nice little 90-cent move there. Peeking up. What else do I have on my list today? We had Intel, main watch again. I didn't get my fill. I missed it by a penny, unfortunately. I got greedy, wanted the premium entry, but the double top to short fail here. Didn't quite get my fill. It was like 90 some cents. I think it was like 99 or $1. I think it went to 97 or 8. I don't know. Super close, but the call was premium. Failed the opening dash and came down, trickled all the way down. First target was the 46, which was fresh lows from yesterday, and then under that we had the channel gap here. Now still short under there all the way. Next target's 44.80 on our Intel short. Still working out. Premium calls. No bad calls really today at all. NVDA was another one. A light risk there, long up to previous day's high out of the gate. Had a really strong squeeze. A couple members caught it up. And then, of course, confirmation of the retrend on a very big level we have at 170.60. Came all the way back down. Called a mini potential scalp bounce here as well on pre-market lows. Didn't take any of that one, but definitely on the deck. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys today. It's a fantastic week. All green, no reds. So definitely... planning our premium entry. We'll see what the rest of the day brings us. I'm expecting SPY to come back down and hit some of our weekly trends, man. These algo lines, they don't miss. These trends are insane. Gotta love them. Pop up to the weekly trend, failed. Came back up today, failed. And target next weekly trend, 282.50 for the gap fill. And then under that, we're still looking towards 281. People call me crazy when I said it way up here. Nice little 7-8 point call move on even the SPY ETF itself. Waiting for Uber IPO. That'd be nice. Speaking of Uber, actually we had a LYFT play I didn't talk about. Speaking of which, another dead cat bounce and short on LYFT. Pretty decent call here. Got in real nice and early, break of the split. Rode her all the way down. Didn't cover, got it retraced on, held the position again all the way down and covered near for a nice little green trade there near 54.30s. Target was still all-time lows here down at 53.11. Yesterday's lows did break down a little bit finally after. It just took forever. I'm tired. Just wanted to do the recap, get a nap in. I only had a 2.5 hour nap before trading came in. So either way, beautiful algorithm short confirmation play with our regular system that we do use, plus premium splits. Very nice trade here. A couple of guys held longer than I did, and this one made some good money. So proud of you guys on that one. A lot of green trades in the elites today. So that's what I got for you guys today. Let's see what the rest brings. I'm hoping the Uber IPO and beat really smacks LYFT down, right? So looks like SPY is coming into the next weekly algo line intraday here. Seen on the other monitor here, and snap rates the 280, 230. That's pretty much all we got. That's all I got for the SPY is pretty much dying. After the last tap here, the algo fail of this weekly trend, 285.75, is a pretty easy call to come down. We've seen all this stuff in elites. Had a breakdown of What do we got for a secondary back trend? The back trend will be tested eventually, so we'll see if there's a reversal late day. We have a monster amount of support at 282.50, so I'd expect now that we hit the weekly trend, had a little break, we should get bought back up here, guys. There's no reason an algo weekly trend this strong shouldn't get a nice little reversal off of. Plus, we're getting real extended, so we had a lot of premium short entries early today. Really proud of a lot of the guys on Elites taking them, locking in those profits. Huge potential here in the Elites program. So that's what I got for you guys the rest of the day. Enjoy the weekend. Go in green. High spirits. We'll see you guys fresh Monday.